Today I will discuss about the biology subject chapter 10. The topic is dark reaction of photosynthesis. Dark reaction of photosynthesis has several types. Like the first category is known as Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle, also called as C3 cycle, as the C3 cycle term given for Calvin cycle. Second one is termed as Hatch and slash cycle. Hatch and slash cycle, also termed as by the name C4 cycle. Third category is called as photorespiration, and this photorespiration termed as C2 cycle. So C2 cycle, and the fourth term is sometimes you study as the Kime cycle. Kime cycle you study in this topic. But first of all, I want to discuss about the Calvin cycle. Calvin name has given because the Melvin Calvin and Venson, and the scientist who in the 1954 first study in the sugar cane the 3-carbon stable compound produces in the Calvin cycle as in the form of phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3-carbon compound. Hence, Calvin cycle known as C3 cycle. Calvin cycle known as C3 cycle because the first stable product is PGA, means phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid as sometimes 3-phosphoglyceric acid on the basis of number of carbon present in it. So 3-carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid produces as first stable product in the Calvin cycle. Hence, it is called as C3 cycle. C3 cycle occur in the stroma part of the chloroplast. In the stroma part of the chloroplast, generally the dark reaction of photosynthesis take place. Dark reaction of photosynthesis take place in the stroma, and one dark reaction is C3 cycle. C3 cycle completed in the stroma part of chloroplast. C3 cycle told by the scientists Melvin, Calvin and Benson. When They study on the monocotyledonous, a gross family plant known as sugar cane, Saccharum officinarum. They found 3 carbon stable compound produces by the presence of enzyme RUBP by the 5 carbon ribulase 1,5 biphosphate. In earlier, it is called ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. As carbon dioxide combined with the 5 carbon compound, so when carbon dioxide combined, this is called carboxylation process. In the Calvin cycle, several steps occur. As first step is first phosphorylation, in which 6 ATP combined with the 5 carbon compound ribulose 5 phosphate. Then ribulose 1,5 diphosphate formation take place. Later on, 6 carbon compound as 6 carbon dioxide combined with the ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. Hence, it is called carboxylation reaction, which result production of phosphoglyceric acid as first stable compound. That is why Calvin cycle termed as C3 cycle. Whole summary of the sketch of Calvin cycle may represent like so. Our main topic is Calvin cycle now. Calvin cycle or C3 cycle. Here, cycle start or initiate by the one compound called ribulose 5-phosphate. Ribulose 5-phosphate termed as it contains 5 carbon and total of 6 moles. Ribulose 5-phosphate is 5 carbon compound, total of 6 mole has taken. Then by this combination of 6 ATP take place, then the 6 ATP produces and the product formed is ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. Ribulose 1,5 diphosphate produces due to the combination of ATP, hence it is called as first phosphorylation. It is called as first phosphorylation. Later on, when 6 carbon dioxide combined with the ribulose 1,5 diphosphate in the presence of enzyme RUBP. RUBP involved in this case and 6 water molecule also combine here the phosphoglyceric acid, abbreviation PGA, which is 3 carbon compound. So sometimes as the total number of carbon, here 5 carbon compound 6 moles, total of 30 carbon, then 6 carbon combined, total of 36 carbon, so total of 12 moles of the PGA formation take place. PGA as phosphoglyceric acid, first stable compound, and the name of Calvin cycle refer as C3 cycle. Later on, once again the 12 ATP combine, then 12 ATP formation take place. This is the known as second phosphorylation reaction. This is the second phosphorylation reaction. But before this, carbon dioxide combined, then this is called carboxylation type of reaction. So carboxylation occurs between first phosphorylation and second phosphorylation. Then the product formed is the 3-PGAL, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, which is also 3 carbon, but it is 12 moles. Then here it is 1,3,1,3-di-PGAL. 1,3-di-PGA means the 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, 12 moles. Later on, the total of the 12 moles of the 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid a 3 carbon compound 12 moles produces. Here the PGAL means the 3-PGAL, which is 3 carbon compound, produces when the addition of 12 NADPH2 as 12 NADP positive produces, and this is called as reduction. This is called as reduction of 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde as 3 carbon compound, but it is 12 moles. It is 12 moles. Here 12 moles 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde produces. Then the 2 moles of PGAL now involved in the synthesis of glucose, which is 6 carbon compound, and glucose synthesized later on sucrose, and sucrose now changes in the form of starch as insoluble sugar, form produces in the leaf, and it is present in the leaf as storage polysaccharide, which generally synthesized by the disaccharide, and disaccharide name is sucrose. Sucrose is a type of disaccharide which synthesizes starch. Starch is good example of polysaccharide. Here, polysaccharide starch synthesized by the disaccharide sucrose, and sucrose synthesized by the help of glucose and fructose, which are monosaccharide. Now, after the use of 2 moles of PgAl, 2 moles PgAl 3 carbon compound, now the 10 moles remain. This 10 moles PgAl as 3 carbon compound involved in the production of 2 types of compound. 10 molecules of phosphobistaldehyde, which is 3 carbon compound, total of 30 carbon, now produces 2 product. As you can say, if you write the name of 2, then you can write first one is 5 xylulose phosphate. Here 5 xylulose 5 phosphate is 5 carbon compound, and this is total of 4 moles. Total of 4 molecules. So 4 molecules, then total numbers of carbon is 5 multiplied 4, 20 carbon. Now remain 10 carbons. Here the next compound is 5 ribose phosphate. 5 ribose phosphate, which has 5 carbon, and it is 2 moles synthesized. Then 2 moles means total of 10 carbon, and here 4 moles of 5 xylulose 5 phosphate means that 20 carbon. So 5 xylulose phosphate plus 5 ribose phosphate synthesized as 4 moles and 2 moles respectively by the 10 moles of PgAl. And this type of compound as 5 xylulose phosphate and 5 ribose phosphate involved in the synthesis of the ribose 5 phosphate compound once again. So that is why this type of reaction is called as regeneration. This is called as regeneration. Regeneration of ribose 5 phosphate take place, and this cycle continue. This cycle generally produces the first stable product 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid, as this is called as C3 cycle. But on the honor of the discoverer, it is called as Calvin cycle. Although the cycle discovered by the Melvin Calvin and Benson, but the name has given as Calvin cycle on the basis of number of carbon present in the first stable product. It is C3 cycle because first stable product you see, that is phosphoglyceric acid. Here this C3 cycle in the form of cyclic manner. So this is C3 cycle completed, as I will explain once again about cycle. As cycle start or initiate from the 5 carbon compound ribose 5 phosphate. Ribose 5 phosphate 6 moles are used in the case of first phosphorylation. First phosphorylation in which the 6 ATP combine and 6 ADP produces. Then the ribulose 1,5-diphosphate which has 5 carbon produces. But this also contains total of 6 moles. But in the presence of one enzyme called ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, in abbreviation it is RUBP. RUBP also considered as Rubisco. In the earlier name has given carboxy dismutase. Nowadays it is Rubisco or RUBP, which takes part in the carboxylation, where 6 carbon dioxide combined with the ribulose 1,5-diphosphate in the presence of enzyme RUBP, and 6 water molecule also added. Water molecule if added or combined in the chemical reaction, then the name of enzyme has given as hydrolase type. I have told you in the chapter enzyme already. Then the hydrolase enzyme used up when the breaking of large molecule in the presence of water take place. That is why RUBP is a type of hydrolase type of enzyme which breaks the 5 carbon 1,5-ribulose 1,5-diphosphate into the 3 carbon phosphoglyceric acid. 3 carbon phosphoglyceric acid produces a first stable product. That is why it is called C3 cycle. Later on 12 ATP used on the PGA, then production of 12 ATP in the second phosphorylation reaction, and here formation of 1,3-di-PGA means 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon compound, but it is 12 moles. Later on, reduction of 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid take place by the combination of 12 NADPH2 and formation of 12 NADP positive. This 12 NADP positive used up in light reaction. In the light reaction, 12 NADP positive used, as the ADP produces also used in light reaction of photosynthesis. So formation of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, which is 3 carbon compound, take place, and total of 12 molecules. अब इस 12 मॉलिक्यूल्स का 2 प्रकार से यूज होगा। एक फर्स्ट केस में जिसे हम कहते हैं ग्लाइकोलेट रिवर्सल रिएक्शन, इसका नाम है सीरीज का ग्लाइकोलेट रिवर्सल रिएक्शन। इसका मतलब है कि जिस प्रकार से एल्डोलेज एंजाइम की प्रेजेंस में फ्रुक्टोज 1,6-डाइफॉस्फेट ब्रेक होकर के 3-PGAL और DHAP अर्थात डाई हाइड्रोक्सी एस्टोन फास्फेट 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड बना था। अब यह रिवर्स वे में when 3 moles PgAl and dihydroxyestone phosphate combine in the presence of aldolase, fructose 1,6-diphosphate formation take place, and this fructose 1,6-diphosphate in the presence of phosphate kinase enzyme produces fructose 6-phosphate. Later on, in the presence of hexose isomerase enzyme, fructose 6-phosphate changes into glucose 6-phosphate, and this glucose 6-phosphate ultimately changes into the glucose as 6 carbon compound. This glucose 6 carbon compound which produces sucrose, which is disaccharide, and sucrose later on changes in the starch in the form of polysaccharide as insoluble sugar, which is stored up in the leaf. In second step, remaining 10 moles of PgAl, here remaining 10 moles of PgAl utilized in the production of 5-xylulose phosphate as 5 carbon compound 4 moles and 5 ribose phosphate. You can say ribose 5 phosphate. Here 5 turn applied as the 5 carbon. The ribose 5 phosphate may write here ribose 5 phosphate. Then this is ribose 5 phosphate, and here this is xylulose 5 phosphate. So xylulose 5 phosphate 5 carbon 4 moles and ribose 5 phosphate 5 carbon 2 moles are now used in the synthesis of the ribose 5 phosphate 5 carbon 6 moles, and this is called as regeneration of the ribose 5 phosphate. So this is the complete Calvin cycles. You study here different types of terms. As first term is first phosphorylation, in which the ribose 5 phosphate changes into ribose 1,5-diphosphate. Then carboxylation occurs, in which carbon dioxide combined with ribose 1,5-diphosphate. Then PGA formation occurs after second phosphorylation. 1,3-di-PGA formation takes place. Then as result of reduction, PgAl formation takes place, and which reaches on the one step which is called as glycolate reversal. Glycolate reversal reaction. Glycolate reversal reaction case, the 2 moles PgAl 3 carbon produces glucose as 6 carbon compound. Glucose produces sucrose in the form of disaccharide, and sucrose changes in the starch as insoluble sugar, which is stored up in the leaf. So this is the all enzymes, all steps of the Calvin cycle. Okay.